The day after Christmas? See what's up. Packed as hell. Let's go Nike. I've never seen a line here. This is Nike Wall Collective Glendale. I don't see no returns. Damn. The women's section right here. Got a couple of these Velvet 11s. Velvet Bread 11s. I do like them. I do like them. Didn't pick them up. Not picking up every release. Yeah, these are what, $225 or something? Okay. Got them. This is the men's selection right here. I do see a Black Cement 3. I don't know if that's a grade school or what. So she did just bring this out. It's a 7Y. That's the only one they have. And it is going for 30% off. I know that because I just saw one right before at El Segundo, and it was 30% off. Okay. Okay. They got plenty of stuff for 30% off. 30% off. Wow, they don't even have any of the Invincible Run 3s. They just have the Pegasus, and they got the Superflies. They got the Vaporflies, that type of stuff. Wow, are they already starting to get rid of them? Because I heard that it's a discontinued model. They're moving on to the Pegasus Plus, that type of stuff. So I'm gonna have to go to the clearance store to find them. Just in case you guys missed the last couple videos at the retail shops. Look at this, 30% off a bunch of the items. This is 30% off as well. Anything with the sales tag, you do get 30% off. Got plenty of items, including the Bulls colorway of the Vomeros right here. Got all wheat dunks in the nubuck. Pegasus Plus, multiple colorways, go for 30% off. In the women's section, do got Invincible Run 3s. I ended up giving away my 2 pairs. I did buy them for myself, but I had people that could have used them more than me, so I gave them away. So yeah, I'm looking for another one now. Damn. And I figured I'd come up on another one for a hell of a good price somewhere. I'm gonna have to go back to the clearance store, hopefully tomorrow. So you got some returns here, 30% off. This is Tech Fleece jacket. This is the latest one too. So women's $135. At least you get 30 off. Some tights. Some more tights. That's about it. Oh, Tech Fleece right here. These are marked down to $95. This is an extra small, $95. You get an extra 30 off. So not too different from the clearance stores or the regular outlets. Not too bad. Got one of the, I don't know what the hell, $88, I guess. Another 30% off ACG. 2 bills. 30% off. Nothing too crazy though. What the hell? Dang, dude. Is that a big dress? What the hell? I haven't seen too many dresses at Nike. That's definitely interesting. They got other stuff for 30% off, but it is 30% off retail. It is packed as hell here. Holy cow. Even the Glendale Galleria, we'd have to walk through there. Got a great waterworks show, I guess. Water fountain show? I don't know. It's pretty dope. But the crowds are insane. Really insane. But I had to get the latest news for you guys. Those people crack me up, dude. Those people crack me up. All right, back to Glendale Galleria. Do have to make a little return at Hollister, or an exchange, I guess. All right, we did make an exchange because my sister bought my kiddo the wrong size stuff. All right, now the newest Foot Locker in town. Wow, not seeing too many red tags all along the men's wall right here. Not many red tags at all. And that includes the men's Jordan section right here, no red tags. Men's basketball section, men's off-court section. There's a few in the casual, but wow, I am very surprised with the lack of sales. And a few of the items on sale do got the wheat dunks right here. These are not the wheat SB dunks, but the wheat regular dunks. And then do got the retro dunks right here with the, I don't know, it's like a fleece, or like, what is it? What do they call that? The towel material? But yeah, do got 3M all along the Nike, as well as the back tab right there. The Nike sign, the back tab, and Does look kind of cool. Does look kind of cool with the 3M, especially late at night. At least there's a sale on that. These are pretty dope too. These aren't on sale yet, but maybe eventually. I don't know. They only have an 11.5 on display, so maybe they won't go on sale. Maybe they will sell. These are dope though. They're dope. Material a little bit better than the regular plain old dunks. Slightly tumbled. Material's not great, but that suede is nice. I was about to say they have a sales rack here somewhere. I think this is the sales rack, right? It says sale 500 times on it, but kind of the same stuff that we've seen. The Reebok pumps right here, or the question pumps, that is. And we got mids, got 2002 Rs. I think this is the same price. The RSX Hot Cheetos collab. Got some more New Balances. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I thought it'd be a little bit better, especially since today is markdown day 2 on top of it being the day after Christmas. I thought there'd be some additional markdowns. $70 for those bad boys. Man, I'm gonna have to hit up the Foot Locker outlet, dang it. Wait, the Bondis right here, that is a hell of a good price for the Bondis, especially if you have a survey coupon. Hopefully you guys have a survey coupon sitting around somewhere. They last for 3-4 months. Man, that's not bad, because these are normally $165. Rarely ever see the Bondis on sale. Do got a Shoe Palace with one of the biggest LED signs we've seen. Wow. I was just about to say, I think the black cements are sold out. Nah, he has a pair of the 3s right there. Also seen the green glows. I've been hearing you guys talk in the comment section saying you guys got these for hella cheap at the outlets. Size 11, still going for retail of $200. And of course they do have the 11s, OG colorway. Beer 4s. What are these? A size 13. Size 13 on display. I can't believe these are still going for regular price. Are you effing serious? $150 for those. They got the 3s right here. I'm gonna say forever, I'm still sad I couldn't get these for 30% off and the friends and family. I'm so sad. $140 for the Olympics. Mids right there. Got some comforts down to $70. I swear some of the Shoe Palace have had these on sale. No? These Spizikes look pretty freaking clean. Look very similar to those gray cement 3s that I showed you guys a minute ago. These look very similar to those. But yeah, these are a combination of the 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. Is that it? I don't know. It's a mishmash of all kinds of stuff. Got the 4s right there. Got the 3s with these. 4s right there. And then the 6s right here. And the 4s. Oh, the 5. That could be the 5s and that could be the 4s. But yeah, no, that's 3 through 6, right? Got Mars on the back. $160 for those. I'd much rather get those for what, $150, $160-ish. Do got the 5s right here. Got Spizikes. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. It's also canvas as well. Okay. And do got the 9 still as well. There's a few of the Hydros. Do got the black cements. He's holding it right there. We've seen some colorways of the Anti-Kai ones, and do got additional colorways right here. I've never seen this one right here. Kentucky blue colorway. And then I was just about to say, I don't think I've ever seen, first of all, I haven't seen this colorway. And then second of all, I don't think I've ever seen these here at Shoe Palace. So they are starting to carry the Puma line of the MB4s, right? MB4s. All right, so it's the first time I've seen them here. $125. And they have a 2K colorway of the Scoots. Okay, those of you 2K fans. Y'all like to game? That's probably a good one for you guys. 90s, 60s in a colorway I've never seen. And never seen that plastic cover on 90s, 60s. Got a couple of them. $150 a piece for those. Then 574s on sale. $60 for those. That's what's up. They are done with the Kobe Air Forces. They don't have any of those. They do have the Kobe Elites right here. The Kobe 9s. The Kobe 9s still got those. And then the Nerfs are down to $100, which is pretty dope. 70 for the premiums right here. So these are 70% off. These came out at what, 210? 210 or something like that. So that's a hell of a deal. They had the white Kobe Air Forces, and I don't see them in the Air Force section anywhere. Still do got these. I did get these and returned them. I didn't think I really needed them like that. $125 for the Dunk SE. What do they call it? They were calling them the Dodger Dunks. They were also calling them the LA Dunks. I don't know. Then gotta cover the Vomeros, $100 and $80 for these orange bad boys right here. Also got these going for $80 as well. Do got a Champs. Gotta check the sales rack, of course, and then Fanatics Otani shirts, $35 down to $17.50. I see smalls. I see extra larges. So I see sizes. Not bad. I was gonna say I did see one of these on sale, right? And this is the doper colorway too. So yeah, they do got them on sale here. It is the only one on sale though. You gotta check the $5 bin. I don't see any of the Performance CSG socks. They do have these, which ain't bad. 3 pairs for $5. Oh no, 2 pairs for $5. Some of them you get 3, so not too bad. Like I said, some of them you get 5 pairs. Some of them you get 2. But yeah, for $5, not bad. Looking for all the sales bins. They just got some Adidas hats on this one for $10. Dang, but that's it for the bins. They do have a little sales table where everything is $50. You got the 2-ways right here. Fortune of the 2-ways. Got a few of the Vans Lowlands. Also got some Forums right here going for $50. It really looks like a lot of this stuff been the same for a while. $80 for the Cheetos Scoots. If you guys want those, I hope you guys picked them up at the Foot Locker outlet. They've been having it for hella cheap. But yeah, nothing too crazy over here. Got some Converse, $30 for those. These have been $30 as well, I believe. $80. John Morant's $100. Yeah, nothing too crazy. And then one last store, do got a JD, where supposedly they have up to 70% off. Oh, 50% off, my bad. Was hoping they would have all kinds of sales right after Christmas, especially since it is a Thursday as well, where a lot of the stores do their repricing or their markdowns. And we've seen some decent sales, but I want to say most of them are the exact same sales that were available right before Christmas. I didn't see any real markdowns. Yeah, like we're seeing decent prices, but just don't see any markdowns that right after Christmas. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice, $115. But price is not crazy. Not crazy. These are going for $60. Jordan 1, tumbled Jordan 1s right here, $105. Selection's gotten a little worse now because a lot more stuff has gone, and it's not like they got a ton of shipments like immediately right after Christmas. So you're gonna see a lot of the same stuff. $35 for some clean Reeboks, not bad. More than 50% off. $45 for the classic leathers right here, classic nylons. Converse, normally $75 down to $25. That's a hell of a deal. But you compare here to most of the stores, you see so many more red tags. But it is mostly stuff that we've seen marked down. The 574s right here, 550s. Got these are the Forrest Gumps, right? $10 off, at least the sales are starting for certain shoes that we didn't see on sale before. Got the Vomeros, $30 off, $40 off for these. So we're seeing little discounts. Oh, these are under $100, that's what's up. But even in the Adidas section, seeing red tags. Dunks, got Forces, the wannabe Dunks right here, all marked down. And the sales might not be crazy, but at least everything seems to be marked down. Like plenty of these other stores, got some mids right there. What is this? Air Forces, weird texture on them, $25 off. These are normally $150. What the hell? Waterproof Air Forces, that's what they are. But like I said, at least more markdowns than most other spots. But I think we're done. Primarily came to do some exchanges, and we got that done. So I think we're out. Bath and Body Works, they started their semi-annual clearance sale. They start right after Christmas, 75% off all kinds of stuff. Or $5 for that, and then 75% off everything here. I usually grab a bunch of stuff and just give it away to people at work. I got some stuff left over from last time. All right, lines are crazy. Lines are crazy. I'm gonna see if I can get something later. Parking absolutely insane. Look at that. I had to park on the 3rd floor. I don't think I've ever parked on the 3rd floor. I've had to park on the 2nd, but I don't think I've ever had to park on the 3rd floor. Damn, dude. People getting mad as hell. Cause fools just lag, and some people just don't know how to drive. But yeah, man, it's ugly. It's ugly. Christmas Day. Got my Invincible Run flying at 3s on. So comfortable. Pretty much like walking on clouds. Did grab a pair for $40 at the Nike clearance store. Hope you guys saw that video. I'm gonna give these away. I'm gonna give these to, not even a present. This is in addition to a present to my kid's, was it my kid's cousin? One of my kid's cousins. Give it to these fools. Yeah, I'm sad to give these away, but I'm sure I'll be able to come up on another pair, right? Sure, you know, I grabbed 2 of these in one weekend, so we'll see. I'll be hunting out next week. I wore these to my sister's house, and my dad likes them, so I'm gonna give it to my dad. It still has, let me take this little tag off. Take this tag off. So I had 2 of these at the beginning of the day. Now I have the 0. I'm sure I'll find one. I'm sure I'll find one for cheap. Guess I'm wearing these back home.